Hello viewers, this is Simran Rajpal and you're watching Jagran. When we talk about the pinnacle of higher education, the Ivy League is often the first thing that comes to our mind. Schools like Harvard, Yale, Princeton are known for their academic excellence, influential alumni and incredible resources. But getting in no easy feat. With acceptance rates often dipping below 5%, the question everyone asks is, how do you get in? Today, we are going to break down the key components of a successful Ivy League application. The first thing to understand is that Ivy League admissions committees use a holistic review process. This means they look at more than just your GPA and test scores. While stellar academics are the foundation, they want to know who you are as a person. They are looking for students who will not only succeed in classroom but also contribute meaningfully to the campus community and eventually to the world. Let's start with the academics first. A perfect GPA is a great starting, but it's not enough. Ivy League schools want to see that you have challenged yourself. This means taking the most rigorous courses available at your high school, such as advanced placement, that is AP, or international baccalaureate, that are IB classes. They want to see that you have a genuine curiosity for learning and are not afraid to tackle difficult subjects. When it comes to standardized tests like the SAT or ACT, while some schools have gone test optional, a strong score can still give you a significant advantage and showcase your academic readiness. Next up are extracurriculars. This is where you truly stand out. Ivy League admissions officers are not looking for someone who dabbles in dozens of activities. They want to see spikes, deep, sustained commitment to a few passions. Whether it's a specific sport, a non-profit you started, a research project, or a creative endeavor, your activities should demonstrate your leadership, initiative, and the impact you have made. Show them that you are a world changer in the making. The personal essay is your chance to tell your story. This is the one part of application where you have complete control. Use your essay to reveal your personality, your values, and your motivation. Don't just list your accomplishments. Tell a compelling story that shows who you are beyond the numbers. Similarly, letters of recommendation are crucial. Choose teachers who know you well and can speak to your character, intellectual curiosity, and your contributions in the classroom. A glowing recommendation can be the tiebreaker in a competitive pool of applicants. Finally, there are a few other elements to consider. The alumni interview, while not always a deciding factor, is an opportunity to show your personality and genuine interest in the school. Be prepared to discuss your passions and why you believe that specific college is the right fit for you. Also, consider the early application option. Applying early decision or early action can significantly increase your chances of acceptance, as some schools have higher acceptance rates for early applicants. Getting into an Ivy League school is a challenging journey, but it's a possible one. It requires years of hard work, strategic planning, and a deep understanding of what these institutions are truly looking for. It's not about being perfect. It's about being passionate, authentic, and having a clear vision for how you will use their resources to make a difference. So, are you applying for any Ivy League school? Do let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and share it and subscribe to Jagran. Thank you for watching. See you in another one.